This recipe is a total game changer. Watch till the end, you understand. If you're suffering from iron deficiency, this video is for you. If you're pregnant, this video is for you. And if you're wondering how to make plantain porridge, this video is for you. You can enjoy it with your family, your friends, and your loved ones. Keep on watching, okay? Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Mawai. So this is fish, dry fish. We're going to be cooking it dry fish. Fish. So we're going to add our crayfish here. Powder. This house. So this is our all-purpose seasoning. Add some pepper. A little bit of pepper, but this food are for kids. Just add your oil. This is red oil. I might remove the oil, so that's why it's so light. Let your food keep cooking. Let it cook. Dear winter, what has this oiled jellica done to you? Eh? Everything is congealed in the house because of cold. Everything. I don't even know what to do with this thing. I don't even know what is this. Did I add salt for this? I didn't add salt though, right? Add salt. Add salt though. I don't know if it's a hand. Can always check. I have some chicken here, leftover chicken. Just gonna add it. It's almost done, guys. I'm chopping everything out with the spinach. The spinach was frozen. Otherwise, it's gonna freeze. Guys, our food is done. Oh, look at that. Hey, I'll really not suffer. Look, let me tell you, if you have iron deficiency, then this food is for you. If you're pregnant, and of course, every pregnant woman, they need iron in their body. You need to eat plantain porridge, unripe plantain porridge. Super delicious. Follow this recipe. You are not going to. You're going to like it. You're going to love it. You're going to love the taste. So yeah. So good. Mmm. Mm-mm. Mmm. 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 Good. So good.